Welcome to uCertify Cybersecurity and Third-Party Risk. Must-Know Glossary Terms Part 2.
Term: Risk Acceptance, RA. Definition: a concept in which an individual or business identifies risk and accepts it while making no effort to reduce or mitigate it.
Term: Sarbanes-Oxley, SOX. Definition: a financial regulation designed to lower the risk of financial fraud by publicly traded companies after the damage done by the tech bubble crash in the early 2000s.
Term: Scheduling. Definition: a phase where a vendor and the analyst from the cybersecurity team work together to schedule agreed-upon dates for a visit.
Term: Secure Development or Design Lifecycle. Definition: a framework for creating an application from scratch to decommission.
Term: Secure File Transfer Protocol, SFTP. Definition: a protocol that uses secure shell encryption to give both sending and receiving file transfers a high level of security.
Term: Secure Shell, SSH. Definition: a cryptographic network protocol for securely operating network services over an insecure network. Term: Secure Software Development Lifecycle, SSDLC. Definition: a process that places security directly into the development of the software or hardware.
Term: Secure Web Gateway, SWG. Definition: a solution that safeguards users against web-based threats while also implementing and enforcing corporate acceptable use policies.
Term: Security Frameworks. Definition: a collection of government cybersecurity policies, guidelines, and best practices that are set in place to protect information systems.
Term: Security Information Event and Management, SIEM. Definition: a technology that enables threat detection, compliance, and security incident management through the gathering and analysis of security events, as well as a wide range of other event and contextual data sources in both near real-time and the past. Term: Service Level Agreement, SLA. Definition: a written agreement between a service provider and its clients outlining the services to be provided and the level of service the provider is required to give. Term: Shadow IT. Definition: a term used to describe people or teams in an organization who deploy information technology solutions outside the knowledge or process of the established information technology IT team.
Term: Software as a Service, SaaS. Definition: a method of offering apps as a service for delivery over the Internet. Term: Software-Defined Perimeter. Definition: a security framework that restricts resource access based on identity.
Term: SolarWinds Supply Chain Attack. Definition: a global intrusion campaign that inserts a Trojan into the SolarWinds Orion business software updates to distribute the malware.
Term: Spam. Definition: the digital version of the junk mail that you receive in your mailbox.
Term: Subject Matter Expert, SME. Definition: a person who is a leader in their field due to their extensive knowledge, skill, and experience in that field.
Term: Supply chain. Definition: the whole end-to-end process of how products or services are provided. Term: Supply chain risk management, SCRM. Definition: the procedure for locating, evaluating, and reducing threats to the reliability, validity, and authenticity of goods and services along the supply chain.
Term: Systems and Organization Control, SOC. Definition: a group of services that CPAs may offer in relation to entity-level controls of other organizations or system-level controls of a service organization. Term: Third-Party Risk Management, TPRM. Definition: a form of risk management that focuses on identifying and reducing risks relating to the use of third parties.
Term: Thresholds. Definition: the levels of risk that must be met in order to trigger action from that team.
Term: Transmission Control Protocol, TCP. Definition: a connection-oriented protocol.
Term: Trigger. Definition:
a call to increase monitoring or to directly engage with a vendor, again, depending on the thresholds.
Term: Trusted Platform Module, TPM. Definition: a specialized chip on a laptop or desktop computer designed to secure hardware through the use of integrated cryptographic keys. Term: User Datagram Protocol, UDP. Definition: a connectionless protocol.
Term: Vendor database tools. Definition: a set of tools that stores information about your vendors.
Term: Vendor offboarding. Definition: a process from administrative, financial, and other systems of record during which the vendor's relationship is officially ended with a company. Term: Vietnam Government Certification Authority, VGCA, supply chain attack. Definition: a large supply chain attack against the digital signing authority of the government of Vietnam. Term: Virtual desktop infrastructure. Definition: a technology of managing and supplying virtual desktops through the usage of virtual machines. Term: Virtual network computing, VNC. Definition: a graphical desktop sharing system that controls another computer via the Remote Frame Buffer Protocol, RFB. Term: Virtual Private Network, VPN. Definition: a service that creates a safe and encrypted online connection. Term: Web Application Firewall. Definition: a firewall that keeps track of, controls, and prevents data packets from and to a website or web application. Term: Whaling. Definition: a similar term that applies directly to a phishing attack aimed at senior executives and high-profile targets. Term: WizVera Veraport device. Definition: a security software manager, popular in South Korea. Term: Zero Trust, ZT. Definition: a security model requiring that all users, accounts, and devices, both trusted and untrusted, be authenticated and authorized, and to continuously validate a company's security configuration before any access to applications and data is granted.